What we're going to show you here is a set of integral blinds we supplied as a retrofit to replace some 4-year-old integral blinds supplied by someone else. And the customer here at this project at Chipping Camden in the Cotswolds went for jet black dress perimeter with beige slats. The 2 units on the left there you saw we replaced, and the one on the right was one of the originals. Here you see the cloaking effect, the way it reflects the surrounding environment. Notice the 2 side units there which we haven't replaced, they're the originals. They're not as discreet as the one with the jet black, which hides the hedge rail and the side profiles or the sides. This is a project we did in I forget where this one was, but it's storm grey with a cloud grey dress perimeter, and again here it's a Cotswold job. Just notice how obvious the original blind is compared to our dress ones. This is a project at Milford-on-Sea in Dorset or Hampshire way somewhere, and again notice how discreet the top is and how the dark colour, how it reflects the surrounding environment. This project just outside I forget where that was, but that was Tewkesbury. That showed again how discreet the dress perimeter makes things look. Here's the Tewkesbury project again. Notice there's no hedge rails visible because of how the cloaking effect of the black behind the glass. This is a project at Pinner, storm grey with a dove grey border detail. This project at Kirby and Ashfield in Nottinghamshire, again through the 4-season glass with the combination of the dress perimeter, etc. It creates a cloaking effect. You're looking there at the inside of the door, which is open. This is a project at Marlow in Buckinghamshire, ice grey dress perimeter through 4-season glass now with a ultra white border detail and white slats. Extremely beautiful, great setting that was, just the right colours chosen for that room.